Hi, my name is Balloon Josh from Neverland Balloons and Face Painting, and I'm here with ClownAntics.com. And today, in honor of the upcoming Shazam movie, we're going to teach you how to make your very own Shazam balloon. You're going to have a black balloon. You're not going to use very much. You only need to inflate it about halfway. You're going to have two red balloons. You want to inflate them up and leave about a hand's width, a little bit over, maybe about 5 inches uninflated. You want a gold balloon. You're not going to use very much. You can inflate about halfway. A white balloon with about a hand's width, or about 4 inches uninflated, and a peach blush scrap. We're not going to use very much of that. We'll start with the red balloon. You're going to make about a 2.5 inch to 3 inch bubble, followed by a 1/2 inch bubble, followed by another 1/2 inch bubble. So you have 2 pinch twists there. Then you come back up again. This is about a 2.5 to 3 inch bubble. And then we're going to do the same thing to the other one. 2.5 to 3 inch bubble, followed by a smaller 1/2 inch bubble, which we turn into a pinch twist, another 1/2 inch bubble, which we turn into a pinch twist, and then come back up with another about 2.5 to 3 inch bubble and tie the knot through. Now we're going to twist these two together. These are going to be like the thighs of our superhero. Now we're going to make the body, the core, about 5 inches up, a little bit over a hand width. Twist them together, pull it through. Then we're going to make a 2 inch bubble, followed by a 1/2 inch bubble. We're going to turn that into a pinch twist. Then we're going to make another 2 inch bubble going back the way we just came and twist it around. And this is going to be like one bicep of our superhero. Then to make the other bicep, we take both together, twist them together. Again, this is about 2 inches. Then we make a 1/2 inch bubble with the smaller of the two ends. Twist a 1/2 inch bubble, break off the excess, and then just kind of twist off the tail and tuck it through so that the air doesn't leak. Then we make a 2 inch bubble, followed by a 1/2 inch bubble, fold it over, pinch twist. Then we're going to do a split twist by rolling that pinch twist. Then we do that again. We do a small spacer bubble, followed by another 1/2 inch bubble, do a pinch twist, and then we're going to turn that into a split twist by rolling it. And then we do a 2 inch bubble, followed by another pinch twist, where we're going to tie into the previous pinch twist on the other side. So these are going to be our 2 arms with the spacer bubble that we're going to pop. And now we kind of wedge those 2 biceps down on the sides of the body. This is going to be the core of our body for our Shazam superhero. Now we take out our gold, do an 1.5 inch balloon, followed by a 1/2 inch balloon, pinch twist. That's going to be one boot. His boots are kind of gold and white, but I think the chrome gold looks really, really sharp here. I'm going to tie that around the 2 pinch twists together on the legs. Small spacer bubble, connect it to the other 2 pinch twists on the bottom of the legs. Twist it around so it's in there nice and tight. And then we're going to do, again, about a 1.5 inch bubble down, followed by a 1/2 inch bubble, turn that into a pinch twist, break off the excess. Keep it though, because we're going to use this for his belt. And meanwhile, don't let go of the foot. So we're going to tie off that foot. And again, this is about an 1.5 inch bubble. Tie it off. So we have his feet, and leave that spacer bubble in between the legs for now. You're going to wrap this around, basically doing a loop twist around the waist, which will keep the legs pointing down and also adds a little bit splash of color here and just looks really sharp. Tie it together. Now we're going to pop the spacer bubble because now the legs will stay pretty much where we want them to. And I know some people leave the spacer bubble. I just don't like the way it looks because people don't walk around with bubbles between their knees. So we pop that spacer bubble, and now we have the core body of our superhero. Now for the hair, we do a small loop twist, pull the knot through, then we do a pinch twist. Then we go down about a hand's width, or about 3 inches to 4 inches, and then back up around the pinch twist. So loop twist, pinch twist, down and back, break off the excess. Tuck in the tail, twist it around so it doesn't come inflated. Now our peach scrap, tied around at the pinch twist, bring it down. We're gonna do kind of like a bird body, right? Where we just roll it through. me twist the hair around so it's facing forward. This is kind of the hair. Go down a little bit so you have enough of a tail to tie it into the body. Wrap it around the arms, right? Wrap it around a couple times, tuck it into the hair. This design also works great for Superman. Just change the colors around, replace the gold with red, and replace the red with blue, and you have Superman. But here's a base superhero. Now for the cape, we're basically just doing a giant loop twist, tie the ends together. You can leave it, but I'm just gonna cut it off with my cutter. Boom, just like that. Now I kind of want to pressure squeeze the corners, so it's not just a giant loop, it actually looks like a triangle, because this is gonna be his cape, right? Let me do a little pressure squeeze here so it looks like cape is flowing in the breeze. And we're gonna attach this cape around the head, kind of wedge it down and back. Again, this is designed to be a quick line work design that you can really crank out fast if you want to make something impressive, but make it really quick. So there's your Shazam. I'm gonna draw his eyes. You can just whip out a Sharpie, draw quick eyes, eyebrows, nose, give a nice smiling mouth. Again, especially if you can get to where you can make this fast, this is a balloon that when the movie comes out, everyone will want to make. I mean, all the kids will want to have, but very few balloon artists will know how to make. On his chest, instead of like the Superman symbol, which you could draw if you were doing Superman, but here you're gonna draw kind of this giant white lightning bolt. In the comics, it's white outlined with yellow, but in the movie, it's actually yellow outlined with gold. So you can do it really either way. You can either make a giant lightning bolt out of yellow with a yellow paint pen on his chest, and then leave it as is, or if you have a gold paint pen, outline it with gold. But in this case, I'm gonna do it more like the comics, and I'm gonna do the white lightning bolt on his chest, and then I'm gonna outline it with yellow. But just wanted to point out that it is different in the movie from how it is in the comics. So the kids will probably be referring to the movie version, so then you'll wanna do a yellow lightning bolt as opposed to the white. And this is one that if you can get to where you're making this well and making it quickly, it's something that a lot of kids will want, and a lot of balloon artists won't know how to make. And there's a line work Shazam. Thank you so much for watching today. The products used in today's video are listed down below. If you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel. We look forward to seeing you next time.